everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to introduce a solution to this question called Jump Game 3. So before we start the content, I would really appreciate that if you can help subscribe to the channel because this can help me to grow. Thanks a lot. So let's first read through this problem. Given an array of non-active integers array, so you're initially positioned at the start index of the array. When you are at index I, you can jump to I plus array I or I minus array I. So check if you can reach to any index with value 0. So notice you cannot jump outside of the array at any time. So let's see this one. So we start at index 5, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 1. So we could reach this 0 by following this path, like from 5 to 6 to 1 and then to 3, or there is some other ways around. So let's see the constraints. So it says that readout length is between 1 to 500k, and the array I, so each number is between 0 to a readout length. Okay, so the start is within the array. Okay, so I think based on this constraints, I don't see any edge case that is worthwhile to consider. So let's go through this piece of code, and at the same time I'm going to introduce what the solution is. So the solution is, we can use either BFS or DFS to solve this problem. So both are going to be all of n regarding the runtime. So when I say all of n, n is the length of the array. So this one is a Bfs implementation. So for BFS, we are going to have like a visited array, visited set to record down which position we have already visited, so that we don't need to visit that again. And then we have a queue, and we are going to add the start index here. So every time we are going to pop a element from the queue, if the current position, the number at the current position is 0, then we just return true, because we can already jump to a position with 0. Otherwise, we can go either front or we can go like forward, or we can go backward. So if we go forward, we will see whether the front is within the range, and also if we have visited before. If it's within the range and we haven't visited this position before, we are going to add this one into visited and put it into the queue. And similarly, we are going to do this for behind. So if after this while loop we are not going to return true, that means we cannot really reach any position with value as 0. So we are going to return false. So that's it for this coding question. So remember, in a real interview, you need to start to understand the question, think about edge case, then talk about the idea how to solve this problem, do some necessary runtime or space analysis with the interviewer, and then get an agreement before start coding. So for coding, take care about the speed, the readability, and the correctness, and also don't forget to do some testing at the end. So if you follow this process in the real interview, I see no reason you can fail. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumb up. And also at the same time, if you have any questions, feel free to leave some comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.